Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Honor X6. To do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store, locate Microsoft Edge in the search. When it's ready, click on the open. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization with other browsers and other devices. I'm gonna do it later. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And now we can open any website. As you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.